you can name only few who are present across the country.
Enjoy your day. My name is Yash Kadir Disposa. What the launch of Tambo Superphones and Powerphones. Take care. Enjoy, everyone.
Tambo Mobiles announced the launch of its brand in India by introducing 3 smartphones and 6 feature phones. Tambo's smartphones have been titled Superphones, while the feature phones have been branded as Powerphones. The price range of Tambo's Powerphones and Superphones is between Rs 600 and Rs 7000. The 4G VO LTE Superphones will come with a 5.45-inch Spot Infinity display, fingerprint sensor, face recognition and 16GB ROM, which is expandable up to 64GB. The smartphones are powered by 1.25 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor and a 3000 mAh battery, and will offer OTG support as well. The Superphones will feature 8-megapixel autofocus rear camera with flash and Samsung sensor, in addition with 5-megapixel selfie camera with flash supporting face beauty, burst mode, panorama mode and stickers. While on the other hand, Tambo's Powerphones will support music keys, time talker, 60 days battery standby and 22 regional languages. The Superphones and Powerphones will be available at retail outlets across India.